friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's related to the factory resetting of my Realme X7 Max device. Yes friends, finally after a long time I am waiting to factory reset my phone. The reason is because after the recent software update in the Realme X7 Max, a lot of users are facing this kind of issues regarding the battery draining problem and the temperature rating issues, touch sampling rate problem, not having highest Antutu benchmark score and not playing the games at 120 FPS. So after listening all these kind of problems, few of the users they did recommend to factory reset the mobile phone. As you can see, this is the latest version which I'm trying to use right now. So let's see, after doing the complete factory reset of my Realme X7 Max, whether we'll be able to fix all those problems or not. That is what my main point of doing this kind of factory resetting, because few of the users, they are really interested to know, because they don't want to do the factory reset, and if the nothing got changed, everything will be gone of waste. So that is the reason I thought of trying by myself. So after getting the confirmation by me, so then you can actually do the factory reset in your mobile phone in case if it works. So I'll try to mainly focus on major things like 120 FPS gaming and battery draining test and temperature reading issues. All those details I'll try to test as soon as possible, and touch sampling rate as well, because right now I'm getting only 240 Hz. So all these things will be changed or not, that is what I'm going to check. So let's see friends, in this kind of factory resetting, I'll try to show you complete process while I'm doing as well as a proof. So that is the reason I'm trying to record the video. So right now I'm trying to click on this erase all data. Let me try to give the password for my phone. I did enter the password, and now let's see friends. So I'm trying to click the erase data, and right now try to keep the battery percentage really high. So then try to erase the data. As you can see, this erase completely. So right now friends, I'm trying to do the factory reset of my Realme X7 Max device. In front of the camera I'm trying to do this thing, because I just want to show you the proof as well that I did a factory reset. That is the reason I'm trying to do in front of the camera. And make sure to comment below in case if you're looking after this one to factory reset or not. So what are your thoughts on this one? Let's hope for the best, fingers crossed. Let's see so whether all the things will be fixed or not. I'll be even doing the Antutu benchmark test after the factory reset and CPU throttling test after the factory reset. All these videos I'll try to upload again, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So right now, as you can see friends, it's completely wiping. Please wait and you will get this kind of symbol as well, as you can clearly see here, wiping data. So right now I think everything got completely wiped off in my Realme X7 Max device. So but I did store all the images and all the screenshots which are taken before for the backup purpose, so which I can actually compare before and after how much the Antutu benchmark score and how much the results are. So for that reason I did use this kind of thing. So now it's kind of booting up, as you can see. So again I'll be back with the next video friends on the Antutu benchmark test and testing the 120 FPS games. All those kind of things will be coming up very soon. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. So here we go with the boot up logo. I think we should see the startup page very soon, at any minute. So again I'll be back with the next video friends, and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to comment below what are the things you want me to test after the factory reset. So the main things are performance, CPU throttling and 120 FPS gameplay support. These are the things which I'll try to test. Battery draining, heating issues, all these things I'll try to test it very soon. So stay tuned for those videos friends. I'm going to be back in the next video. Until then, bye.